When you're driving through the woods, there's this moment where everything just feels peaceful. You look around, and suddenly you realize how simple and beautiful life really is. The trees, the fresh air, the silence. Somehow they calm your mind without even trying. Here at Floor Melody, we want to bring that same feeling into your home. A space that feels natural, warm, and comforting, just like the peace you find in the heart of the woods.